Hey, what is up guys? This accelerating tech, and today in this video, I am going to show you that how you can optimize your Windows to gaming ready Windows PC. Basically we use Windows PC for gaming. I think by tweaking some of the settings we can gain a bit more gaming performance. Whatever changes mentioned in this video to optimize can be made to default, if in case you have any problem in the future. So let's begin. Before jumping right in through, if you can, I would recommend to install a new Windows OS to your PC. Number 1. Updating your PC. So the first thing you have to do is update your PC. Go to Start, then go to Settings. Select Update and Security, then if you find any update pending, just install those updates. Make sure that you have installed all latest graphic drivers. Number 2. Disabling unweighted startup software. To do this you have to right-click on your taskbar and select Task Manager, then go to Startup. Here you can see a list of software that will run as soon as your PC boots up. Disable the software which you don't want, like I don't want CCleaner at my startup, so I am disabling it. Doing this will help your system to boot faster. Number 3. Adjust for best performance. Right-click on this PC and go to Properties, then select Advanced System Settings. Here go to Advanced, and in Performance section select Settings and choose Adjust for best performance. After selecting this you can notice that your Windows animations are totally gone. Looks awful but increases the performance. Number 4. Changing the power option. Open Control Panel, go to System and Security, here click on Power option and then select High Performance. If you are using an AMD-based system, then it is must that you select High Performance option. Number 5. Deleting temporary files. Temporary files are usually referred to those files that apps store on your computer to hold information temporarily. However, Windows 10 has many other temporary file types, including those leftover files after installing a new version, upgrade logs, error reporting, temporary Windows installation files, and more. Click on this PC. Right-click the drive with the Windows 10 installation and select the Properties option. Click the Disk Cleanup button. Check the items you want to delete. For instance, temporary Windows installation files, Windows upgrade log files, recycle bin, temporary files, and system-created Windows error reporting. Click the OK button. Click the Delete Files button. Once you complete the steps, files will permanently be deleted from your computer, making room for new files. Number 6. Installing Razer Cortex. Razer Cortex is a free app that has a number of useful tools. It lets gamers launch games whilst boosting computer performance, backup save games, record in-game footage and find bargain deals on games. Visit link in the description to download the latest version of the Razer Cortex installer. Launch the downloaded installer. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. And click Done once the installation completes, and restart your computer when prompted. Number 7. Uninstall unwanted softwares. Go to Control Panel and select Uninstall a program. Here uninstall the program which are not needed. Like I don't need this software, so I will uninstall this software to save space and avoid running in the background. So using all these tips and tricks you can increase the gaming performance bit higher. Link to download the software mentioned in the video are in description. Hope you like this video. Press the like button, share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will catch ya guys in the next video. Peace.